Showing bid and ask prices on an MT4 chart is a practical way to get a more complete view of how the market is being priced. It helps bring the chart closer to the actual execution environment by showing both sides of the quote more clearly. Usually, MT4 charts are built using bid prices only, while the ask price isn't shown. So to make that visible, you enable the Show Ask Line setting in the chart options, which adds a horizontal line for the current ask price on the chart. That matters because trading decisions are not always based on the same side of the quote. Long positions are opened using the ask price, while the chart itself is drawn on bid prices. So, if you only look at the default chart, there can be a gap between what you see visually and the price level being used for execution. Turning on the ask line gives you a clearer picture of that difference directly on screen. Once enabled, the chart becomes easier to interpret in practical trading terms. You can see where the ask price sits in relation to the bid-based candles, which helps when reviewing entries, exits, spreads, and the distance to stop loss or take profit levels. It is a small adjustment, but it gives the chart more context and makes the platform easier to work with when precision matters. So, if you want to show bid and ask prices on an MT4 chart, the key point is this. The bid is already reflected in the chart itself, and the ask becomes visible when you turn on the ask line. That gives you a more complete view of price and a more accurate way to read the market from within the platform.